Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make playlist on YouTube. So to do that, first go to your browser. I'm going to select Google Chrome, and once you're here, all you have to do is go to youtube.com and log into your account. And over here on the right hand side you can see your profile. Click there and click on YouTube Studio. So once you're in your YouTube Studio, all you have to do is go to content. So over here you can see the playlist option, so click there, and here you can see the option to create a new playlist, so click on new playlist. And over here you can see you have a format, so all you have to do is give your playlist title and give some description, and you can even toggle the visibility if you want to make your playlist private or public or unlisted. So now click on create, and there you go. That is how you can make playlist on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.